everybody's taking care and being blessed today. Today I'm going to make a video about some lock 100% human kinky hair that I purchased. I purchased it from Amazon. I am making one of my clients some extensions. She wound up having some breakage, and I'm going to make her like maybe about 5 to 6 locks. So we purchased this Locsanity, I hope I'm saying that, Locsanity 100% human hair. I have purchased from them before from Amazon, but guys, when I say this hair right here is the worst, like I'm talking about like the worst. This is the package that it came in. This is the 8-inch one. You know, you got to take the hair off, and it looks really kinky, really like really good hair, but guys, unfortunately it's not. Like when I say it's got like little strips, like little tiny strips, so like if you kind of pull it apart, you just got a bunch of just wiry, most definitely not hair. I can tell you that much. This is not human hair. I've been look, I can't even pull it and maybe like roll it around a lock extent like somebody repairing it, because look, this is how it turns. Like you can't pull it and it stay. Like I don't know what the deal is with this hair right here, but it's the worst. It is not human hair. It does not feel like human hair. So I just unfortunately had to make this video. I'm very disappointed because I waited for this hair to come, and like I said, I have some locks to do, so unfortunately I cannot use this hair. I know I can take things back from Amazon. That's why I always buy things from Amazon, but that's not really the factor. The factor is now I have to get in my car. I have to stand in a long line. I can't do my client's lock extensions because unfortunately this is not hair. This is not 100% human hair. So my moral to the story is just please be careful what hair you purchase, because a lot of them is not 100% human hair. If you guys know a good brand to purchase, please let me know in the comments below, because I would love to know what's a good hair, human hair, 100% human hair that makes good locks, because I'm so upset about this hair. Just wanted to share it with you guys. Sometimes when you buy this kinky hair, the texture is not right. It's like little pieces of hair. It's just wanted to share it, okay?